Your grandson, granddaughter, son, daughter, or nephew has myopia, and perhaps you don't even know what to do as their vision deteriorates, but you can do something right now. To help your child with myopia see instantly. His vision is better right now, instantly. This is what this video is about. With you is Evgeniy Slogodsky. I have been working on vision restoration for over 25 years. How do you do it? You ask the child to look at, for example, the license plate of a car in the distance. Don't scrutinize it too closely. Just simply request for the number, and I assure you that in 8 out of 10 cases, he will clearly distinctly state the number. At that moment, due to the child's highly mobile visual system with very soft, flexible, and elastic eye muscles and joints, he can instantly adjust. In other words, myopia is a harmful habit that he has acquired, either under the influence of psychological stress, or due to constant visual strain, or as a result of some other actions. But he simply developed the harmful habit of not seeing well, and when you tell him, look and see, just look and see, he looks and sees. He is discarding this habit. What does this mean? Well, it's the same as if you were used to constantly eating candy, and today you are not given any candy. You say, give me a candy, but instead of a candy, you are given a peach. You are eating a peach. You are used to eating candies, but you got a peach and enjoy it. You do not experience any problems while doing so. The same goes for the child as well. Due to having a very mobile visual system, they can see immediately. You can experiment at home. For example, take a look. Look at the clock. Look at the picture. Look at the book. Look at the drawing of the carpet over there, so that he can look. Make sure to watch carefully, so that he does not strain, squint, or peer intently, meaning that it should be done without tension. Look over there. He looked. Look over here. You see, again. Out of 10 objects that you draw his attention to, he will clearly see 8 of them, even if he hasn't seen them before. But as soon as you start to strain him, well, look, do you see the letter? The child feels tension in the ophthalmologist's office. You see, and the child struggles, knowing their vision is poor and they have bad myopia. And he cannot concentrate, therefore. You can do it very simply. Just ask him to look at one thing, then another, then a third, and a fourth. And in this way, he will start to see normally. If he lacks concentration, do neuro exercises for the eyes with him. The simplest one is to toss a ball from hand to hand. When he passed it from hand to hand, his brain activated, visual reactions kicked in, motor responses were triggered, and he focused. After that, he was able to see easily. Try it and let us know in the comments if you were able to do it. If not, you can indeed write that it didn't work out. I will gladly respond to you, and we will fix this situation together. Teach your child to see. Free them from myopia. It's easy. Don't torture them with glasses.